Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache and cookies on your Safari browser. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So for that, you need to open the Safari browser. So let me open the Safari browser. And once you open the Safari browser, on top, you will be able to see the Safari option here. So just click on the Safari option here and then click on Settings. And then in this Settings menu, click on Privacy option here. So just select privacy and then under privacy, click on manage website data. And here you will see the list of all the websites. So you can clear the cache and cookie for a single website. For example, I select this website and then click on remove, or I can just click on remove all and it's going to remove the cache for all the websites. So let me click on remove all and then click on remove now, and now all the cache from all the website is removed. And then you can click on done here and your cache is removed, right? So this is how you can clear the cache from your Safari browser. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.